I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log in to your Dropbox account. For that, you'll need to open up your Dropbox app on your phone. After you open up your app, at the bottom of your screen you'll see the option of Sign In. Tap on it. Here you can see that you can sign into your account with email, Google and Apple. For now, I'm going to show you how to sign into your account with email. For that, first of all, enter your email address that is linked to your account. Then enter your password. After you are done, tap on the blue tab that says Sign In. A pop-up message will appear on your screen. Tap on Save if you want to save password to Google. If not, tap on Never. Now you can access your computer's file on this device, scan your documents, backup and access your files and photos anywhere. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.